guys, good day. Today we're going to discuss fuel consumption of the Montero GLS 2025 model. So just for the transparency lang, no? This is my first car, this is my first vehicle. So to be honest, newbie pa talaga ako sa pagdadrive, and it will affect the consumption of the fuel, no? Anyway, I tried naman, no, na kapag ka sa highway around 50 to 90 kilometers per hour lang yung ano ko, just to be efficient lang yung takbo ko. Then sometimes nagdadrive din ako sa sa city, and of course it consumes a lot more fuel. Then kinuha ko pala tong unit na to last week, no? Exactly 1 week na today, as of today. Then nung kinuha ko to sa casa, it was already full tank, and it has 21 kilometers already. So ngayon meron na siyang 403 kilometers. Then later on we'll compute kung ilan talaga yung consumption ng fuel, no, for the entire week. So I will go now to gas station, then magre-refuel tayo, and we will compute, no. Let's go. Okay na yan. So yun na nga guys, no, tapos na tayo mag-refuel, and inabot siyang 41.3 liters. Before tayo magpagas, we have 403 kilometers na natakbo, no, and before that we have 21 kilometers, so it's around 382 kilometers kung di ako nagkamali. Then just divide it, and we have a consumption of 9.5 something, or 9.4 kilometers per liter, no. I think it's not very efficient, no, sa case ko, kasi 9.5 kilometers per liter is still, alam mo yun, compared to other vehicles. And some says na umaabot pa daw to ng 13, 14, 15 kilometers per liter. So at least you have the idea, no, and at least may reference na din kayo. So Montero GLS 2025 model, so sa case ko it's 9.5 kilometers per liter. So comment down below guys kung ano yung suggestions nyo, just to lessen the fuel consumption, no? Alright, thank you, goodbye.